Hello students, see the problem student. Observe the diagram given below and answer the questions. Label the food chain properly as per the trophic level. So this is what the producer, green plants. Then they are primary consumers. The primary consumer, this frog is secondary consumer, snake is tertiary consumer, and eagle is quaternary consumers. And these are the decomposers. So you can see producer in the presence of sunlight, they are preparing the food chain. Primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, and here is final consumers and decomposition. Decomposition. Next one. If the number of frogs shown in the above food chain is suddenly reduced, okay, this one is getting reduced, then what can be different effect on the food chain? So if frog is reduced, student, so snake and eagle, they will be die because there will not be food chain for them, food for them. And this one is going to be increased, the trees are going to be increased. So here, if the number of frogs shown in the above diagram food chain is suddenly reduced, then in turn the tertiary and final consumer will be reduced, as all of them will not have enough food to survive, because life form in the food web depend on another. The extinction of one species can spell trouble for other life in the ecosystem. So dear student, if one life is getting extinct, means died, so what will happen? The other species will come out. Next one, third. Which component of the above food chain, if lost, will reflect upon the process of decomposition? What will be the effect of what will be effect of this on the ecosystem? Which component of the above food chain, if lost, will reflect upon the process of decomposition? So this is decomposed, which one is the final consumer is lost, so decomposition will be affected, student. So if the final consumer is lost, then the process of decomposition will be affected. Waste and remains of dead organism would pile up, and nutrients within the waste and dead organism would not be released back into the ecosystem. So that is, if the final consumers are not there, so that it will be affected, decomposition will be affected. So thank you so much for watching, students.